and this is our workshop. I'm here to introduce to you this machine. This machine here, this is Aerosol machine, and it's 4-in-1. Why 4-in-1? Because there's 4 machines in one working table. The first head here, you can see this is the liquid one. This is the liquid head, liquid nozzle. Then here you have the fixing valve. This one is like to correct the valve on the can. And then you have the sealing. This is the sealing part, the sealing machine, the sealing head. And then at the last you have the gas filling head. And behind there's 2 big cylinders. The first one here, this is the liquid one. This is the power. This is where the air is compressed. And down there, this is where the liquid is stored. This one here. And on the top there's one valve. This valve here, you turn it to adjust the volume of liquid. This one here is adjust. You turn, then you will control the volume of the liquid. And it's the same for the gas one. Here too, by turning this valve here, you adjust the volume of gas. And another part, like I will show you here, this one here, this is what we call about the throttle valve. This here, like by turning it, you can adjust the speed of the liquid when it comes out. This is where you control the speed. This throttle valve here. And for the liquid one, this pipe here, you can see we just put it in the cask with your liquid. You don't need another thing. 1 meter is enough for this pipeline here, and it's self-suction and it's automatic also. So, and here I will show you this machine. It's special because there's one piston, like bottle pressure, like automatically. You just put like the bottle here, and it will go straight in the line automatically. And there you can see here there's two balls. The one here is like to control, you can see the air pressure, and this one here is to control the propellant pressure. You can check by yourself if everything is right or wrong. You can check it here. And then here this one here, yeah, and here there's four bottoms, like according to the 4 heads. This one is for the liquid, this for the valve, this for the crimping or sealing. There's one here for gas filling. By this one you turn off and turn on, turn on, and off. And this one here, this is the reset button. Okay, here I will show you how to connect like all the machines. So first one here, you have the gas tank. This is the gas cylinder. You can see here there's 2 heads. This one head is for gas phase and this one is for liquid phase. So you connect the liquid phase with the booster pump. You see this pipe and this one arrow here, just down here, to show you like the way. This is the inlet part. Here you can see another one here. This is the arrow, like outlet. It's going out from the booster pump to the gas cylinder, the propellant cylinder. This you can see this. And the main part, you have to know that you need an air compressor. So the air compressor here, this is the connection. This cable here, this is from the air compressor, and this one is going inside the booster pump, and another one here is going to the machine. This is the connection. This is the tree. It's like a fork. It's like a W. You can see here. So one air compressor, booster pump, and filling machine. That's how it connects. You can see inside too the regulator. So yeah, this is how we connect. And then behind here you have this pipe. This pipe is connecting with the liquid machine. It's self-suction. Just put it into a cask or your liquid tank and it's over. You can see. So that's how it works.